probably can't hear. It's windy as all get out. Back out here after the big 8-pointer again. I slept in this morning because it was raining. Should have came out. He went walking right by. And at one of my other spots, the other shooter that I want, he walked by at the same time. But that's what you get, I guess. So we're out here now at like, I don't know, 25-mile-an-hour winds. Real nice. So we'll see what happens.
Burp, burp.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, baby. I seen him out there about 150, and I grunted at him, and he come running. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Well, guys, sorry there wasn't really any recovery footage. I wanted to get them down and get them found because this honeysuckle right here is just, it's insanely thick. Even with daylight, I was struggling to keep track of everything in there. But he's definitely down, he's recovered. We'll get you guys some more video and pictures once we get him out of here and get him into some light. So Justin's on his way with the deer cart. Heck yeah. It's been a heck of a season for me. This is a good way to round it out for sure. Still got another tag, but I think I'm gonna start transitioning into maybe do some duck hunting again. Definitely a bunch of rabbit hunting. We'll see. So, alrighty guys, video was pretty quick. It happened all kind of fast. He was popped up at like 150 yards out in the field, and it was super windy. Wasn't able to get a whole lot. He came running into the grunt call super fast, and shot him at 17 yards, and he went barreling into some super thick honeysuckle, and didn't get a recovery video because I just wanted to get down and get him recovered before it got dark. Trying to find him in that honeysuckle would have sucked. So, but super cool deer. He's got kickers and flyers that I didn't realize that he had from the camera pictures and stuff like that I've gotten of him. It's a new place that I started hunting this year. He's really the biggest one. There's one other buck in there, but he grew goofy. So me and my buddy Todd, we've been after this guy pretty hard here. None of us have seen him, so this is the first time we've either one of us has seen him on hoof, and happened to make a 17-yard shot, and he went about 60 and was done. He got himself all wrapped up in the honeysuckle. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed what we did get on film, and we'll put some pictures in for you guys to look at too.